Radio Man here. So this is the top plate for my top pulley for my winch system in my tower that I'm working on, and I'm new to TikTok, so I have a lot of videos over on Facebook and YouTube on it, but I'm gonna do an upload to all of them. But anyways, so this was designed, well, I say design, it's 1/4 inch plate. It mounts to the top of my pole. When I say designed by me, and this is a 1,500-pound pulley. And when I got it, I thought this was not very beefy when I looked at it. It's not even hardened steel, and it's considered a flat mount pulley. Well, as you can see here, I was working on my quad and I went to raise the tower a little bit, and two things happened. Well, one of the things, I needed to raise it up a little bit so the elements weren't touching on the ground. And I'm increasing, I'm turning the drum on the winch, but the tower's not moving. Of course, I'm being very careful. And I look and I see this. And the pulley is actually pulling away from the plate. You can see she's pretty boogered. So with my, limited equipment available to me for fabrication, and I found these for the off-road community. These things are like, now we're talking beefy like my plate. There's a backing plate that also mounts to this. I'm going to attach this to my plate, and this is a 4,000-pound pulley that's hardened. And so I think two things happened. One of them is that the angle of the tower, this is sort of fixed. This should allow the angle as it goes lower to adjust, so that you're not putting so much stress on the mount. I mean, there's still going to be stresses, but this will be able to come down some and then come up some as the tower is coming up. Also, I just don't think this was up to the job. The other thing that I'm going to do going forward with the tower is my fault was I had the tower at what I would call like 0 degrees, and it'll never be at 0 degrees anymore with the quad on it. So I had the quad, and I said, oh, it's the elements are going to be hitting the ground. So I wanted to bring it up to say like 15 degrees so the elements are off the ground. And when I did that, there's a lot of stress. And the tower is very easy. It's an aluminum tower. I can literally walk it like a ladder. I mean, it gets difficult to do with antennas on it, but I can still do it. So now the tower will be at I don't know, I'm estimating a 15-degree angle. But I'm going to work on my little drill press right there, putting the mounting holes. So if you wanted the black one, the set was $50. But if you wanted the red one, it was $25. So this is a backing plate that will also go on the back of that. And so that's my tower update. So I'm hoping to have the quad on the air this weekend. I got a 4-element cubicle quad, and I'm hoping to have that on the air. Like I said, I was suspicious of this when I had gotten it, but it said 1,500 pounds, said it was made in Texas. I don't know. I mean, I understand there was a lot of forces involved there, but anyways, so we're going to do this, and this is all rated for like 5,000 pounds. This is rated for 4,000 pounds. We'll give it a shot. But like I said, just I'm pretty careful with it. I'm watching things as I'm moving, making sure that, the tower is actually moving and not something else. But anyways, that's a little bit of an update.